Hello, everyone. My name is Alan Pershevsky, Senior Backend Engineer. For threat management, I'd like to talk to you shortly about having security orchestration policies within in YAML repository. And I'd like to show you something that's working and we can improve that. Okay, so here we are. We have a simple project. It's Rails project. And currently, it is not configured to have the security orchestration policies. Okay, I'm going to run a pipeline now. And this pipeline, I will just go quickly to our CI YAML file, so you'll see how it's being configured right now. It's very simple. Actually, it will do only one thing, which is in test stage, it will echo string as a script. So this is it, okay? Right, so pipeline is running. So you have to wait a minute or two to let it finish. Okay, it's succeeded. So now I will go. This is my security orchestration policies project where I can store my policies. I will go to GitLab security policies. Now, first I'll enable the enforcement of Sas. So as you can see, currently it was disabled. So I'll enable that. So one thing to mention, because we don't have UI yet for it, I already connected this project with policies. So this repository of policies with the project that I'm using to test it. Okay, so I'm going to enable it. Okay, Sas is enabled right now. All right, now I can go back to pipelines and I'll trigger the pipeline again. Okay, so I'm running it for master. I want to emphasize one thing. So here I selected that I'm going to run for pipeline for this branch, and we're using wildcard here. So whatever branch we have, it will run. And action is scan Sas. Okay. Now I will go back to the secret detection, and I'll enable it in a minute. But first, we need to take a look at the pipeline view and see if indeed we have included Sas scans into our pipeline. Okay, so as you can see, the pipeline is running and we have Sas enabled for them and everything's working as expected. Okay, let's do one more thing. Let's enable as well secret detection. Okay, it's enabled and I will go back and I'll trigger a new pipeline. And I will see if the secret detection was added or not. So I know that MVC and the Apex and so on, we are all informing about will first include Dast because I don't want to configure my cluster to actually deploy the application as Dast. I wanted to quickly show you the idea that stays behind it. I'll be preparing demo with MVC just to show you the code because there's only a few lines of code that was changed to have that. So I'll include that in the link in the description of this video. But let's first take a look if we have the secret detection. Yes, we have it. Okay, so that would be it. Thank you, everyone.